welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul video. I just came from a couple Dollar Trees on the lookout for a certain item that I still didn't find, and it was that plaid, those plaid scarves that everybody is hauling right now. I haven't found it in my Dollar Trees, but I will still be on the lookout for it. But I did find some stuff that I wanted to share with you guys, and mind my face, today is kind of Saturday, and on Saturday I try not to wear makeup on Saturdays, and so if my face is looking kind of oily and greasy, that is the reason, because I didn't put on no makeup today. So anyways, let me just jump right in the video and share with you guys what I found. Now, of course, you guys know that Christmas stuff is already in Dollar Tree, but for the most part, the stuff that I've seen, except for the scarves, the stuff that I've seen are the stuff that I've seen last year, so I pretty much did not buy any of the new ornaments or any of that stuff, and they haven't brought out any of their signs yet. So I haven't seen any new things, but I did see some floral things that I didn't see last year that I wanted to purchase, because I feel like they're really good quality and really a great price for them, as opposed to getting them at Hobby Lobby or Michael's, anywhere else where there'll be more. So they're called the Premium Christmas Packs. And when you first pick them up, and I'm going to show you 4 different designs. When you first look at them, you think that they're all the same, but they're actually different bunches of different berries, flowers, they're called acorns, and the holly leaves. So they're different designs depending on what kind of stuff you're going for. Some of them had like a silver sparkle to them, some had a red sparkle, some had a gold sparkle, which was the ones that I picked up. And some of them are different arrangements. So when you see these premium Christmas packs, don't think that they're all the same. You actually got to look through the box and you'll see different ones. So this one I picked up, and also when you pick them up, they're all bunched up together, like if you see this one. So you're going to have to pull them apart before you use them. But this one had the little beige holly leaves, and they also had the little white flowers, which I have to open it up because it's smushed. And so I picked this one up because I wanted to incorporate whites into my decor, because I have neutral tones in my home. And so I picked this one up because it had the white flowers. I think these are the poinsettias. And they had the little beige berries. Again, they look kind of smushed right now, but when you guys will see them, when I decorate this year and do DIYs, I am going to open them up a little bit more. This next one, I liked it because it had, and you can still see the hot glue on them. A lot of these you'll still see glue when they put them together, but you can easily take them off. But I like these ones because the little leaves were white. They had little white tones in them. And so I like the fact that they bring some neutralness to them. But these were just, again, these are called holly bouquets. And they had the acorns in them. Now I got these acorns, and yes, you can see they have little gold glitter on them, but they also have the, like I said, the red glitter, the silver glitter, but I like the gold as far as for Christmas. So I picked up 2 of these to put in arrangements. This next one is also a premium Christmas pack, and this one had more of the red poinsettias in them, and they also had the red berries. Again, you see that they're smushed, but you just got to open them up a little bit more, and I picked up 2 of those. The next one is more of the red berries and the pine cones. I mean the acorns, that's the acorns. The pine cones, they're called pine cones. Have more of the pine cones as well. And I like this one because it had like the little snow on it. And I picked up 2 of these. And as you can see, these are pretty big for $1. And they're very heavy, guys. When I was picking them up, they're actually very heavy. So they're good quality because you get a lot of them. And they are heavy, so they're not like the fake light ones that you would get before. And for $1, you cannot beat this price. And I plan to use these in upcoming DIYs to decorate my house. I just haven't decided quite yet how I'm going to use them. And then the last flower arrangement accessory thing that I got, they're called Queen and Lace. And they had these in a bunch of different colors, and reds and gold, and I forgot the other one, but I like the white ones because I feel like they bring in the neutral tones to my home. So I got these, I got 2 of these. The next things that I picked up were some wreaths, and I don't know if I hauled this one to you guys, but these are the mini wreaths, the mini beige wreaths, and I've seen this one a lot, but I haven't seen the big ones yet. And so today I actually saw the big ones at Dollar Tree, and I bought this one a while back, but like I said, I don't know if I hauled it to you guys, so I wanted to bring it in to show you guys in this video. But I've always seen the mini ones, but I haven't seen the big ones. And what I like about these wreaths is that because they are beige, they go great with the neutral tones of the Farmhouse feel, which I told you guys I'm decorating for in the fall, and I'm going to bring it into the Christmas season as well. I'm just getting into that Farmhouse look. So I feel like these are great for Farmhouse because they have a lot of the neutral tones. And I'm not so into the brown tones of Farmhouse, but I'm into the beige and grays. So these will be perfect for DIYs of wreaths that I'm going to make for the fall, but also for Christmas time as well. And the last thing that I picked up that's kind of like a farmhouse feel, everybody's been hauling it before. I never picked it up before because again, I wasn't into farmhouse before, but because I know that I am going to be into it and I want to keep it around all year round in my house, I picked up this lace ribbon, this burlap ribbon, and I feel like if I'm going to make something for the fall or for Christmas, I feel like this would work for it and also year round, so I picked up one of these. The next thing I saw at Dollar Tree that I wasn't really looking for, but I saw them and I thought they would be perfect for as far as to decorate for my house for, you know, like for the farmhouse. You know, when you think about farmhouse, you think about whites, grays, and all those neutral tones. So when I saw this, I thought of a farmhouse look, and it's basically welcome mats. Now, I saw this one and I thought it was so perfect. It says welcome. Let me get it right here. It just says welcome, and I think it's so perfect just to have because it has grays and whites, and if you guys have been to my home, you guys know that I decorate in grays and whites. So this one is going to go in my front, at the front door. The next one that I saw, I fell in love with because I feel like this is not going to go in my front door as far as the outside. I think I might put it in the inside going out, but I'm not sure because this also looks like it could be for the wall, or you can actually put it in a frame, and it could be such a great decor piece to be for your wall. And it was this home mat that looks so gorgeous. I got this one in the white and the gray, but I also saw this same design. They also had it, the writing in like a gold, and I took a picture of it and I'll share with you guys right now the picture. A lot of these I found different ones, and they were in there. They had the home sign that was in gold, but they also had different types of welcome mats that were like for the wolf, not the wolf, I'm sorry, it said wolf on it, and it was for dogs. And so I want to take pictures of the different mats that they have for you guys so you guys can see it. But I loved this one. I thought this was so great. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to use it as a mat in the inside of my home, maybe like in the kitchen, or if I'm going to use it on the wall. I haven't decided yet, but I had to pick it up because it looks so farmhouse style to me, and yes, I just needed it in my home. The next thing I found was a new find for me that I picked up at Dollar Tree, and the color that I saw that they had was purple and gray, and I picked up 2 of each, but there was a missing section, so I'm not sure if the only colors they had was purple and gray and people took from that missing section, or if there was another color. But it's these little wall hooks, and I thought they were so adorable. And this one is how the purple one looks, and this is how the gray one looks. And like I said, I got 2 of each because I plan to do something with them. I don't want to quite say what it is because I found out I don't know if it's a coincidence or what, but sometimes when I show you guys things in my Dollar Tree hauls and I suggest things that you could do with them of upcoming DIYs, I will see somebody do it that same DIY before me, and I kind of don't like to do DIYs that people have already done because I don't want to seem like I'm copying anybody, but then it seems like I'll throw out an idea and then someone else will do it, and then I don't know if it's a coincidence or if they've seen mine and got to it before I did. So I kind of don't want to tell you what I'm going to do with it until I show you guys, just so that doesn't happen. But anyways, I saw these and I thought they were so cute, and they have a hook in the back right here that you can use to hook up onto your wall, but they also have this twine that everybody's into as far as like farmhouse look on it, so you have 2 ways to hang it. But I will say, oh, and it comes with the little hooks that you can use to hook up anything in your home. But I would say watch out, because when I was in the store, a lot of these hooks were like bent and really funky looking. So I had to look through a lot of them to get a great one. And also right now, as I'm taking them out of the bag, I just realized that one, actually, the hook fell off. So here's the hook right here. So I'm gonna have to either look for the pieces or go back and replace it and get another one and tell them that it fell off as soon as I got here. But so yeah, so I guess the hooks are not in really well, so watch out for those. But I think they're really cute. I'm going to use them, like I said, in upcoming DIYs. I love the design on it. I feel like you can use it as is, or you can like repaint it and redo it for any multiple DIYs. But just stay tuned for those. They're going to come up and they're going to be in upcoming DIYs and also organization ideas for you guys for your home. So another thing I found at Dollar Tree that I wanted to pick up was this jar. I got a gift a while back during Christmas time at my job with this jar, and I've liked the style of it, and I used it for my dark cocoa powder in my kitchen. But I also needed, I like things to match, so I picked up 2 more so that I can put my regular milk chocolate cocoa powder in it and also my baking soda. So I picked up 2 of these. I think these are just so cute I like the fact that it's flat on all these sides, so that if you want to put a label on it, it's easy to put a label. And I like the fact that it's clear, and you know, it's just a cute little glass. So I picked, like I said, I picked up 2. And then in that section, it was the food section. I picked up these fudge strips from Keebler, and you would look at them and you would think that they're like the mint Keeblers, but they're not. It's just that they were they were doing them for the Jurassic Park Dino Edition. And I did check these don't expire, because anytime when I see the name brand stuff, I always make sure to see when they expire, because a lot of times they're in Dollar Tree for $1 because they're about to expire soon. So these don't expire to December towards the end, so I picked up 2 of them for my husband and my daughter so they can have some cookies. I always like to pick up the name brand cookies if I do see them at at Dollar Tree. So the last thing that I picked up at Dollar Tree were some wall signs, and sometimes I try to stay away from those wall signs because I can get sucked into those wall signs and tend to buy a lot because I'm like, oh, this will make a great DIY. Oh, this is such a great quote. And so I did find 3 that I wanted to use, and so I purchased them this trip. And this one says, God grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, the courage to change the things I can't, and the wisdom to know the difference. I love this this quote. It's just, there's so many times where I'm stressed, and I'm stressed over things that I need to realize I can't change them, and it's okay if I don't change them, and sometimes I just need to be reminded of that. So when I saw this quote, I wanted to pick it up and incorporate it in my home as a decor. I'm probably going to make it a DIY, probably like the DIY tray plaques that I showed you guys. I'll put a link up here of the DIY that I made when I use these sayings, and I also use one of the Dollar Tree trays to make a decor piece in my home. It was very beautiful, very glamorous, and I feel like I think I might use this to make that same type of decor piece, and I'll put it somewhere in my home just to remind me of this quote, because sometimes we need to be reminded of things that we can't change in our life. And so I just had to pick that one up. I also picked up this Hello Sunshine one because I'm going to use it for an upcoming DIY as well, and you guys will see that when it comes up. The last one, I picked up 3 of this same design. I just thought it was so beautiful, and it went with my my office colors. And it was this one, and this one says Hello World, and it has like half of it here and half of it on the back. So you know this is going to be a big quote. And what I loved about this one, like I said, it is the colors of my craft room. And I was thinking of putting it somewhere up here in my background so that it's saying, when I'm saying hello world, I'm saying hello to you guys. I like to pick up things that have to do with, you know, saying hello to you guys. Or like when I did have my little hello sign here, I kind of moved it because the pumpkins are here now, but I was saying hello to you guys. So I kind of want to incorporate things in my background for my videos for you guys, saying, you know, if I forget to say hello, that I am saying hello to you guys. So the fact that this one said Hello World and it had the colors of my craft room, I decided to pick it up. And I did pick up 3 because my daughters want to start a channel too, and I didn't know if they wanted to use this for their videos, but also in case I needed extras to have. Sometimes you put things up and they mess up and you want to have extras. I don't know yet how I'm going to put it. I don't know if I'm going to frame it or if I'm just going to put it directly on the wall. Let me know down in the comments below. Do you think that I should like frame this, maybe put it in a gold frame and then put it back here, or should I just put it as is? Let me know what you think and how you think it would look nicer in this background. So that is it for my Dollar Tree haul this week, guys. I'm sorry if I sound tired and if it's kind of dark in here. It's kind of gloomy outside and it was a rainy day and I was out shopping and doing some errands, and so that's why I'm so exhausted and tired now, and I just finished cleaning before I did this video. And so that's why it's also dark in here, because I'm not getting any kind of sunlight from the windows. So I apologize for that. But that is my Dollar Tree haul for this week. I will see you guys in my next video. Take care and God bless. Bye, guys.
Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.